Hi everyone! We are the Buen Viajeros and join us as we travel to Tokyo, Japan. In this video, we will show you our arrival at Narita Airport, the first things to do as we arrive, and our travel from Narita Airport to the hotel. Our budget-friendly Tokyo Plaza Hotel in Shin Okubo, Shinjuku. For this trip, we flew with Philippine Airlines and scored our tickets for only 13,000 pesos per person. The secret? Book your flights early to get the best deals. The flight from Manila took about 4.5 hours. If you're lucky with the clear skies, you'll know you're almost in Japan when you catch a glimpse of the majestic Mount Fuji, almost as if it's warmly welcoming you to the country. Konnichiwa, Japan! We landed at around 1 p.m. Japan time. The immigration was quite long, but the process was smooth and hassle-free. First things first, if you book a pocket Wi-Fi, make sure to claim it upon arrival. It's also a good idea to have Japanese yen on hand. We used our Maribank card, which works seamlessly as both a credit and debit card at zero or minimal fees. From the arrival exit, head down to the lower floor, where you'll find ATMs and a 7-Eleven. We highly recommend grabbing a quick meal or some snacks before boarding the train. Here's how to use your Maribank card. And now we are ready to explore Tokyo. We will be going straight to our hotel to check in. From Narita Terminal 2, take the KC Skyliner train to Nippori Station. Purchase tickets at their counter at the lower floor from the arrival. It is also where the entrance to the platform is. Be mindful of your scheduled time. You should not miss it. Check your ticket for your assigned seat number and coach number. The train ride is about 36 minutes. You can spend this time connecting to your pocket Wi-Fi or eat. Yes, eating is allowed in this train. Then you get off at Nippori Station. Purchase Suica commuter pass or card, which you will use in your entire stay in commuting in trains or buses. Here is how to buy card at the machine. Choose Purchase Suica, then press blank Suica. You can choose to have it personalized, which is the name Suica. The other option is charge, which you will choose to add more amount or value to your card later on. Now choose the amount you want to load. Insert money and does not have to be exact. It automatically dispenses your change. Then it dispenses the card, which is value already. And now you can board the JR East train to Shin Okubo. Go to JR Yamanote line platform 11. There are stairs going down, but not a steep and long one. Manageable with luggages. This train takes about 80 minutes to Shin Okubo Station. As mentioned, we are staying at Tokyo Plaza Hotel, one of the cheaper hotels in Shinjuku area with a very good location. We are staying for 8 days and the rate is 6,300 pesos per night for 3 adults and 1 kid. It is located on the second floor, so you have to go up the stairs, but the stairs is also manageable with luggages. Check-in went smooth. The room has 2 beds, a TV, and has enough space for big luggages. The bathroom is just the right size. It has a tub-type shower and complete with bathroom essentials. What I love is they replenish essentials, supplies, and cleans every day. And we are off to our first day of exploring. This is the stairs, by the way, in Shin Okubo Station. Not too steep and long also. Manageable with luggages unlike other stations. We will show you the stores and restos within the vicinity of the hotel, making it a good place to stay at. Just across the station is the affordable Yoshinoya, best known for its signature Gidon beef bowl. There's also Matsumoto Kiyoshi, a pharmacy or drugstore where you can buy beauty products and other famous Japan finds at a cheaper price. There's also Mixu, a famous Korean refreshment and ice cream store, which line is always a mile. There's also Family Mart. The hotel is only about 3 to 5 minutes walk from the station. Beside the hotel is also a grocery store where to-go food gets discount at night. You can just microwave in the hotel. And most importantly, there's a 24-hour donkey about 2 stores away from the hotel. convenient for last-minute shopping, and you don't have to worry about buying a lot and carrying heavy plastic bags. On the other side of the street, you will find a Burger King, a 7-Eleven, McDonald's, and Sukiya, which is another budget-friendly place to eat. The area is quite busy street but safe. You can go home late and the stores are still open. And that's it for now. Also watch our 7-day in Tokyo video. Thanks for watching!